Name is Ahana Ganjewar. In this video, I'll be demonstrating my freelancing project, which is automation of a Google form. During quarantine, almost like when the college went into online mode, I filled about 7 Google forms every day, which included my attendance. And I feel like this is such a redundant activity, and I didn't know automations in so many days. So since I think it's been 2 years, which multiplies to a big number, which I'm really shy of while explaining that number. I could have done this earlier, but it's never too late. Even if this is a really simple project, this project has a really big impact on my life, as it's going to save my hours of, like, every day filling a Google form, which just includes the same activity, which is such a redundant thing. As a coder, I should have think of like automation earlier, but it's never too late. So I've written a JS script which will be automating my Google form. My Google form includes the first name, last name, the email ID, and the which period I am into, and then uh, submit button. It's a really simple Google form. Um, yeah, so let's just dive deep into the demonstration of this Google form. So as you all can see, this is my Google form, which has the email ID and then a last name and then first name and then period to select and then a submit button. This is like the back end of the Google form where my responses are going to get collected. So these are the questions. It's the same Google form, and then these are the responses which are currently zero. Now let's just dive deep into like the running the code, firing the command, which is like the interesting part. I'll just shift myself here. Yeah, so let's just fire the command, which is this command C, and then paste it into the terminal and then enter. I just have my hand raised. I'm not doing any kind of cheating. This everything is happening automatically, as you all can see. There's also written something Chrome is being controlled by automated test software. I'll take myself here. I want to show you all the exciting part. Yeah, 4 got selected. Okay, and then there's submit. You can when you concentrate, you can see that the click of the submit, there's a click in the submit button. Now let's just try to go into the backend and see if there's one response or not. So yes, hooray, we got one response, which was email ID is Ahana Ganjewar 4 Ganjewar, and then Ahana, and then which period I was into the fourth period. Let me show y'all where did like this Ahana Ganjeva, like if I want to change like my 5 to 6 or my 5 to 9, how do I do that? So this is a config.json file, where I can update email ID. I can even put attendance for my friend, which is such a wrong thing, but I can do that. Now I have that power to do that without being bored. Then I can change my friend's name. I can change the period which she will be in. So yeah, this is a really simple project, to be honest. I know that it's a simple, but I always look for like what impact it has on my life. It's going to save a lot of time for me, and I'd be so excited to run this. And yeah, I'll be so excited. So thank you for all like my project demonstration and my project. I'll be sharing you all my code files on the GitHub. So yeah, thanks a lot for listening. Bye guys.